What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about BMW's driving assistance package. It is a great feature if you do a lot of highway driving. The system is capable of doing adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automated lane changes. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the system and show you how to use it. To activate, simply press the button with the steering wheel icon. Two green indicators should come on the dash. The one on the left indicates that the vehicle is monitoring the speed. The one on the right indicates that the vehicle is doing lane keeping. The maximum cruising speed will be set to your current speed. To set it to the actual speed limit of the road, press the Set button. While the system is activated, push the center button up to increase the maximum speed limit. To reduce the maximum speed limit, pull the button down. The button on the left and right controls following distance when there is traffic. To reduce following distance, press the button on the left. To increase following distance, press the button on the right. While the system is activated, you need to keep your hands on the wheel at all times. If you take your hands off the wheel for too long, a yellow indicator would come on. When it does, simply put your hands back on the steering wheel to keep the system activated. The driving assistance feature can also take care of lane changes. To initiate a lane change, simply tap on the turning indicator stalk in the direction you want the lane change to happen, and the system will take care of the rest, as long as the condition is safe to do so. To deactivate the system, simply press the button with the steering wheel icon again. When there is traffic and the speed is below 40 miles per hour, another indicator would come on that says Assist Plus Ready. Press the Mode button to switch to Assist Plus mode. When Assist Plus is activated, the two indicators on the steering wheel would turn solid green. The vehicle will take over all the controls, allowing you to take your hands off the steering wheel, as long as the speed remains below 40 miles per hour. Alright, I hope this video gives you a good overview of the capability of BMW's driving assistance package and how to use it. Again, I think this feature is super useful in longer road trips. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll try my best to answer them. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.